In a world of endless notifications and packed schedules, where anxiety and overwhelm have become our daily companions, imagine finding peace in life's quietest moments. Today, I'll show you how your journal can become a window to God's daily grace and a place to reflect on His presence in the simplest parts of life. Picture this. You're sitting quietly, holding a warm cup of tea and watching the gentle morning light. The cup warms your hands, and you let the simple aroma fill your senses. Beside you, your journal is open, inviting you to write down one small blessing, a gift, no matter how ordinary, to be thankful as your day begins. Maybe it's the warmth of the tea, the song of a bird outside, or the stillness before the world around you wakes up. Starting your day with gratitude, even for the little things, sets a gentle, hopeful tone. When you wake up with a blessing on your mind, it shifts your focus from the to-do list or any worries. This morning ritual can be a grounding moment with God, a time to reflect on His gifts in your life. You might write about feeling safe in your home, the feeling of a new day, or simply the beauty of sunlight streaming through the window. These are the gifts we often take for granted, yet they bring us back to the moment and remind us of God's quiet presence. Pause the video and think. What small blessing can you start your day with tomorrow? Once we've set our morning intention, let's explore how we can keep our hearts open to God's presence throughout the day. As you go about your day, there are countless little moments to notice God's presence, often in ways we don't expect. Life gets busy and our minds race, but by intentionally slowing down, you can find His gentle reminders of love all around. Perhaps during your lunch break, instead of scrolling or working, you take a moment to really taste your food, savoring its flavors as a small blessing. Or maybe while driving or walking, you look up at the sky and appreciate the colors, the changing clouds, or a surprising patch of blue. These simple moments can be sacred when we slow down enough to notice. Another way to stay aware of these blessings is by grounding yourself in the ordinary. Try feeling the earth beneath your feet when you walk, taking a few deep breaths in the fresh air, or noticing the warmth of sunlight on your skin. When you approach your day with this openness, the world around you becomes richer, and you start to see each moment as a chance to connect with God. At the end of the day, you can write down a few of these moments, letting them remind you of His love that's present, even in the smallest details. Pause and think. Where have you felt God's presence in unexpected moments? Write down any that come to mind. Now that we're in tune with God's presence throughout the day, let's look at how these small moments come together into a beautiful tapestry of faith. At the end of each week, spend a few quiet moments with your journal, looking back at all the little blessings you've written. Each entry is like a single thread, but together they weave a beautiful story of God's faithfulness. As you reflect, you might start to notice patterns, ways that God is showing up consistently in your life, whether through the kindness of a friend, the beauty of nature, or an answered prayer. This weekly practice helps us see the bigger picture, showing how these little moments build our faith over time. Adding structure to your reflection can make it even more meaningful. You might create categories for different types of blessings, like family, nature, personal growth, and divine encounters, using different colored pens for each one. This makes it easy to see how God is working in various areas of your life. Consider ending each week with a brief summary or prayer of gratitude, bringing together all these moments as a reminder that you're never alone on this journey. Each page becomes a record of His love and faithfulness. Reflect and jot down. What themes or patterns of God's faithfulness do you notice when you look back over your week? So, are you ready to find joy in the little things? Imagine how it would feel to wake up each morning with gratitude and end each week seeing how God has shown up for you in ways big and small. This faith-based journaling practice is a beautiful way to nurture peace, gratitude, and faith. Here's how to start your journey tonight. Number 1, create your sacred space by placing your journal and favorite pen on your nightstand. Number 2, set your phone to Do Not Disturb mode so your mind is clear for reflection. Number 3, tomorrow morning, before your feet touch the floor, spend 90 seconds writing your first blessing. As you go through your day, capture those moments when you feel God's presence. And if you feel inspired, share your journey with us using #FaithfulMoments to connect with others on this path. If you found peace and encouragement in this video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Don't forget to explore more videos for more ways to strengthen your faith and find joy in the everyday.